A warm welcome once again to our TPCB TV. Today, I'm very proud to introduce Mr. Thierry, owner of Cafe Noir. His contribution to our community is massive. So today, he'll be sharing us about a growth in our life. So thank you once again, Thierry. It's your time now.
Bonjour à toutes et tous. Good morning. Thank you to Victor and the Tankul Church to invite me to speak about how to grow in our life. We are all part of this. We are all looking for a better life and growth. So last time during a sport event, I spoke about some words that are my motto, my personal motto. And I think I must stay consistent with this position. And I tell to the community that the most important thing is to believe, to be courageous, and to love. So through this motto, I would like to just give some example about how to grow in our life. To believe means not only to believe in God, for sure, but God is behind us, is supporting us, and I'm sure He tries to help us in a day-to-day. But we need to believe in ourselves, to believe in our talents, to believe in our capabilities, to believe in our strength to cross life. If you don't believe in yourself, for sure, you will be down. So you need to be strong with yourself, to be strong in your mind, and be sure that you are unique. You are a talented, unique person in the world, and everything can be done by you, with your friend, can be a success. It's just a question of believing. So believe is something important. You be strong in yourself, you believe. You can believe also in the way that the things will come from God. But on the other way, you must also believe that you work for yourself, you believe in yourself, and you build your life by yourself. Another thing is to be courageous. Yes, courageous is a word that we use sometimes for the heroes. But we are all, each of us, a kind of hero. We have to cross a life with difficulties, with issues, with family problems, with ourselves. We are a problem by ourselves. So to be courageous means to be consistent with the line that you want for your life. To be courageous, it means also to take the right decision. And sometimes you can be wrong, but take the right decision doesn't mean it's always right. It means you take the decision for your life. Sometimes I speak with my employees, my managers, and the first things I tell them is, you don't work for me. You work for you. You work for your growth. You work for your life. And everything, every day you do for the company, because you work for the company, think first that it's an opportunity for you to develop your talents, to develop your capabilities to speak, to manage your day-to-day. So be courageous is also a way to grow. Cross the difficulties, yes, but also be straight on your feet. Decide for you, decide for your family, act. And act is a courageous act. Act means you are involved in what you decide. Don't let the people decide for you. Don't grow for the lookalikes of the people. You are not living, have your life for people. You have your life for you. So the way is to be courageous and take the line and keep your line and believe in what you think and do what you think. And the last thing is love, because at least when we work, when we have to cross the difficulties, the first thing is how to love what we do, how we love whom we met, how we love where we are. Because in life sometimes it's the mess, we are in the chaos. But think a little. To be in the chaos means you understand that you are in a mess. But if you start to adjust yourself, adapt yourself, the chaos will disappear. The chaos will not anymore be a constraint for you. You will grow in this. So love the things you do with passion. Be sure that these beliefs, this courage, and this love that you put in your life can be very helpful. We can go a little bit in detail, but today it's a short time that has been given to me. But I stay at disposal if people want that I spare with them my simple experience of life. I will be at their disposal. Thank you.